In this video, I'm going to talk about 3 applications that help me do screencasting or record the screen. The first one I'm going to talk about is called EduCreations. Once I click on EduCreations, I will get this page which shows the videos that I created. Click on the plus, it will open for me a new lesson. Now click on the pen and click on any color. I can write anything now. I click on the eraser and I can erase anything I wrote. Now on the right, the plus helps me to duplicate any page if I created a page. And the one next to it, it helps me to change the background. I can put lined papers, coordinate shapes for the math teachers. For me, I'm gonna keep it white paper. Clicking on the plus, it gives me, if I click on the A, I can add text, like hello. If I want to delete it, I just double click on it and I can edit it or delete it. Again to the plus, I can open the camera. So if I'm explaining anything, I can put the camera on the book, snap a picture, and use that picture and explain about it. Or I click on the plus again and it takes me to my gallery. So go to the gallery, I can click on any picture. I'm going to take this question. I can make it smaller and explain about it. So if I'm gonna record, I click on the microphone in the red, and then you can see the timer started. So I can solve this question. So he wants the parameter, first side, second side, third side. So the parameter is 3x minus 1 plus 2x minus 1 plus 12. So the final answer is 5x plus 10. And that's my final answer. After I finish, I stop the video and that's it, it's finished. I click on the arrow and it asks me, I can say save draft, and then the video is saved. So I can click on it, I can play it, and this is my video. 5x plus 10, and that's my final answer. Okay, now how can I export the video? So how to export the video is easy. I click again on the arrow and I will say save finished video. Now I give my video a title, so I'm gonna call it parameter. I will keep it private for now, and the subject area is math, and that's it. So I click save, and that's it. My video is ready. I click on the video, it's playing. So how to export it? I click on the arrow and then it will give me options where I can send it through email, I can share it on my Twitter account, Facebook, even down I can copy the link, let's display it on a board or something where my students can see it, or copy it and as an embedded code and put it in my website. So this is how you can export the video on EduCreations. Now I'm gonna go to the second application, which is Show Me. Show Me looks like EduCreations a lot. So first, once I open it, I get this page where it shows all the videos that I created. Now, if I want to create a video, I go to Create, I get this picture. Pick any color and I can write. Again, I can clear all drawings. The difference here is if I want to import a photo, I have these options. Choose a photo from my gallery, take a photo. Now I can search images, I can put it as a background. So the only difference is I have Dropbox and Google Drive. Now I'm gonna pick Google Drive. It opens my Google Drive and I'm gonna pick any picture. I'm gonna pick plant. So this picture, click on the red and I can use this picture. So if I'm gonna do a video, click on the red, the timer is working, and I start recording and explaining to my students. These are the roots, these are the leaves. I can explain anything. Once I finish, I stop it, and that's it. Click on done. It will tell me, I say save as draft, and my video is here. I can always click on the star. I can preview, edit, or upload. Now how to export this video? So I click on upload. Once I click on upload, again it tells me show me a name. So I'm gonna call it plants. Next, choose a topic. I pick science. Again, choose topics. I'm gonna pick plants and earth science. Once I finish, I say I'm done, and that's it. My video is posting. Now my video is ready, so I can click on it. I can play it. Now you see the arrow. Clicking on the arrow, it gives me share on Facebook, share on Twitter, or email this show me, or open in Safari. So I can send it by email to my students. And now I finished Edu Creations. The last one is explain everything. Open it, click on the plus. I get to pick which colors. This looks like the softwares that are used with active boards like Active Inspire or Smart Notebook. So this is the pen, pick the thickness. This is the marker or the highlighter. The one below it is I can draw shapes. So I can pick the shape, square, and I can draw the shape. I can add text. And the plus, I can import any pictures, photos. I can even import math equations for the math teachers. I can also add web browsers inside the slide. X allows me to delete the pictures. Well, here there's a nice thing. If I pick here, let's say click on the arrow. So once I'm explaining, the arrow will show on the screen and my students can follow up what am I talking about. Now again, to record, I click on the red button here and it will record a video for me. Now the plus, I can add slides. So if I click on the plus, I get a new slide. I can write anything here. Then plus again, I get a new slide. Also write anything on it. All the slides are here. Click on the arrow. I can see all my slides. I can pick any slide and go back to it. The difference here is when I want to export a video or a picture, it gives me many options like Google Drive, YouTube, Dropbox, and the most important is I can save it as an MP4 in my gallery. And now I finished talking about the 3 applications.